So today we've got something a little bit special for you. With Black Friday coming up, we're gonna do a Black Friday battle between me and somebody else here at Camberley. Now the rules are as follows. It has to be on the Black Friday sale, has to be in stock in Camberley, has to be in your size, and most of all, we've only got 10 minutes to do so. Now we can check the phone on the website just to see what is on Black Friday. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Right, so you know the rules. You've got 10 minutes on my little Casio, right, to choose your category and get the full kit out. Do you reckon you can do it?
Yeah, 100%. I don't know why I'm walking backwards. You're the cameraman.
Yeah, I need to press the Casio button.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool. I'm putting my phone down. Okay, I have no idea what I want to choose yet, but 10 minutes is quite a bit of time. I'm going to put up the website, you know, relax a little bit. I think I want to go with off-road. Big up Lewis, by the way. The website is clean, so straight into Black Friday. I think I'm going to start with the helmet. Now I want an SM10. I want an SM. There's no budget for this, is there? No.
Well, it has to be in Black Friday.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna check it in Black Friday. That's not how you spell SM10. 5% off. Does that count as Black Friday? Are we counting that as Black Friday? There's a discount on it.
Is it in the Black Friday tab?
I don't know. I'll look through it. Shop helmets. There's no Alpine stars. Oh, damn. Okay, never mind. Scratch that. Okay, I'm gonna go full race spec then. Okay, cool. X-SPR Pros are on sale. I'm gonna go with. I'm very close to the camera.
What's your category then?
Full race spec.
Oh, okay.
Full race spec. We'll see if I can get it all on one thing. I know Luke's gonna probably do an X-SPR Pro, but no copying. So I'm gonna go with the Escalate, one of the proxies.
That's my helmet.
Oh yeah, it is your helmet, but we've got customers, so I'm gonna go somewhere else first. I'll get boots. Okay. Oh, again, I need to check Black Friday. Okay. Oh, Sidi Mag ones. We definitely have them here. We don't have them here. Does it count if it's upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, the white ones then. I'm assuming that's, yeah, extra 10% off, Black Friday, blue button. They don't have my size. We need to bleep that as 45. Okay. Do you want to grab me a pair of Sidi Mag? Okay, I'll grab them myself. Sidi Mag ones. They're on a massive sale at the moment. Down from 370 to 199. If we were having a budget, that would win it, just hands down. What else do I need? I need a one piece, but the stock from NEC is in the way. I'm also not going to put on a one piece, so two piece it is. Terry, do you know if we've got any two piece leathers on sale for Black Friday? No? I'll have to check the website. Okay. Back this way. Okay, well, good thing I've got a website. How much time have I got? 6 minutes. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay, maybe not full race spec. Ooh, Zerofit. I'm getting Zerofit, which is right here. So, ultimate heat rub. I'm just even make sure we've got it in stock. 2XL. Oh, we don't have it here. Zerofit Move Heat Rub LS shirt. Yep. Mock neck Heat Rub white. This must be so entertaining for you guys. 2XL. Yes, I'm taking that. This is coming with me. Oh, I'm also getting a GoPro. I know that's not part of a kit out, but because we film this stuff, I'm getting a GoPro. I know that's on Black Friday at the moment, but I'm gonna get the Hero 13 Black. Okay, next thing. Okay, I'm gonna grab the helmet now. That's not my side. Yeah, X-SPR Pro in medium. This is medium, so it should fit me. More of a race fit. Should I go? I'm gonna go adventure with a street bike helmet because this is meant for creativity. No, don't shake it at me. How much time have I got?
3 minutes.
3 minutes? This is harder than I thought it'd be. I should have cheated and pre-prepared for this. Okay, I'm gonna go with a Risha Art Gore-Tex jacket if we've got it in my size. Yes, we do have it here. Sick. I know I don't have much time, so I've got Sidi Mag ones. I need gloves now. So I'm gonna go with the Held Evo Thrux Red Black. The only thing I need now is trousers. Almost there. Oh, there we go. Risha Art Gore-Tex men's trousers, black. They don't have long legs, so regular 2XL. Yep, okay, done. So I'm also gonna get the Risha Art Gore-Tex thing on there as well. I wanted to do an off-road kit out, but I realized we don't have any on the tab for off-road, but The only things I actually managed to grab that is on the shop floor is the Zerofit heat rub and the Shoei X-SPR Pro. So Luke's definitely not going to beat me. I'm wearing adventure gear with a sports bike helmet and sport boots. So, you know, creativity, I guess, right? And a GoPro. Don't shake at me. And a GoPro. So Luke was busy, so I got my friend Jack here, who works online upstairs in stock control, and we're gonna stress him out a little bit. And as I said, you got 10 minutes, like I had, to pick all the Black Friday stuff that you can get for a full kit out. Obviously, has to be in 10 minutes. We've got Mr. Casio over there with the timer, and then, yeah, make sure it's on Black Friday. You can check the website, do whatever you need. I know the internet is slow today, so I'm so sorry about stressing you out. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get your phone out. Casio, you ready? Yep. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give you the mic as well. You got to talk through the people.
There's many things going on. Right.
Yeah, I've messed it up. That. Okay,
No, you get right. I'm gonna find something that's warm. How many things can I pick? All of it. I'm picking everything. Right. Come here. This one. This one is very thick. I'll come round. This. Oh, don't fall out. Christ. Large, black, my size. Very thick, very warm. It's like minus 400 degrees outside. It's perfect. I'm gonna put it back so the boys can sell it. Right, there's one thing. How many can I pick? 4, 5, 10, 804? That's it. Right, back a page. Back a page.
Another rule I forgot to mention was that you're not allowed to pick something someone already has picked. I chose the Move for that. That's why cameraman Tom was shaking his head. But I picked the Move. He's picked the Ultimate Heat Rub, which is the warmer variant. Okay, back to it.
Anyway, let's go this way and pick some Rukka items. Can I pick Rukka items?
Yeah, of course. As long as it's on Black Friday, you can pick it.
Yeah, I'll pick some Rukka stuff, yeah. We have nothing. We've just had a show. Great show. But we sold everything, so it's not here. I'm not allowed that back. Is it? Oh, bear with. Oh, we on it? We on it? Yep. No, incorrect. I can't read. I'm stressed, man. I'm finding things. Nothing of importance.
It was explaining the rules.
Well, I didn't listen clearly. Select size. There's a box there. Be careful. This little badger, the Explore R jacket in a grey yellow. Be safe, be seen. Bright yellow, supporting some D3O armour. Great stuff. Longer at the back. That's the jacket.
Okay.
What else can I pick? What should I pick?
Is that the first thing you picked? No, you
Nah,
picked okay,
the Move as well.
You need to do trousers.
Trousers.
Gloves, you need to do boots, and you need to do a helmet.
Oh, many things.
As much as you want to pick the Super Techs, they're not on Black Friday.
Oh, can they be? Please, they're great boots. Let's have a look. You've picked the Sidis.
Yeah, Sidi Mag ones.
I believe, yeah. What do we have here? I'm feeling, what am I feeling? I've never been so stressed in my life. Function, change gear. Oh, a little bit of a curveball here. If they're in stock, which they should be. Ooh, just. A little set of Daytonas in a 42. So that'll be the Daytona Journeys. 180. Daytonas, 100 in this economy. Right, boots done, base layer, jacket.
Trousers.
Trousers. We're gonna go this way. Sorry, I'm all about the place. Can we get a time check? Okay.
6 minutes.
So that went in and out.
6 minutes. You got it.
We in. Oh, textiles. We do yeah, we do. Do we have them?
Well, you're already on Rukka, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should probably pick some Rukka trousers then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What matches I forgot what jacket you got. What matches the jacket that you got?
I think hybrid. No, I didn't choose that. I said Pathfinder. No, I didn't. Explore R.
Yeah.
But do we have the trousers? Are they on the thing? Oh no, it was just a dead spot under the mez. It's okay, we don't need to freak out. I'm so stressed with this, man. Just technical difficulties right now. Yeah, perfect. We love, Rukka Argene trousers, black silver. Keeping it sleek through the winter. Still protected with a massive saving. Doesn't go unnoticed nowadays. Save the pennies. Right, 2 spins for the price of 1. Dizzy. Base layer, jacket, trousers, boots. Gloves. Back on the website, I think. Still stressing. I might look calm and composed. I am not.
You don't.
Thank you. Right, we're going to do those.
What are you going to do, Phil?
We're going to do some...
Real quick, boss man.
Hi Casey, bye Casey. Hi Finn, bye Finn. Risha Savage 3 leather gloves. Goodbye boys. Front and back. Palm sliders. They are.
Let me see.
Little medium.
Let me see. Are they
Medium.
available today? They're available today?
Well, from where? We have many places to shop
but it'll
from.
say next day delivery.
Check the
Let's get
website.
this,
You can shop anywhere in the country that you need to. Looking for. I would love some heated. But I just wear
as well, but I was running out of time.
2 of those. I think I
Have you
have
got a
run out
helmet
of
yet?
time. No helmet.
No helmet.
Oh, helmets are over here.
Yeah. Do you wanna
Let's
go get
run.
them? Let's go.
Yeah, let's do that. I feel like I'm on Crystal Maze. No one knows what Crystal Maze is. HSC Namaro, where is this? Where are the HJCs? I feel rapid today. Only today though. Raffle 1. I'm going to select it on the website because they're great helmets. I don't know why I'm stanced like this. It doesn't work, the signal's gone. Where? Oh! This. Great saving, fits well, looks insane. Pen lock, all that jazz. Double D loops, come on people. I'm done, that's it. Obviously treat your helmet with some respect.
Now you got to pick a bike.
Pick a bike?
Yeah, you got to pick a bike.
Does that have to be on a Black Friday deal as well?
Yeah.
Street Triple 675R. Great bike.
Okay, so we're outside. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, this is Alessio, not Jack. Jack is on annual leave, so we're not going to make him come in on this holiday. So Alessio has volunteered, as much as volunteering can be, to model his stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through it before we get on to judging. I know I'm going to win, of course, because I've got bias with the judge, but yeah, so I'm going to go through mine first. Obviously, it was a Black Friday deal, so everything has to be on Black Friday, starting with the GoPro. This is the main thing of mine, obviously it's the cameraman. But helmet, great weight helmet, great waist helmet. And yeah, there's not much else I can say about it. Great deal on Black Friday. Great for all sorts of bikes. As you can tell, I'm all adventure at the moment, not really, apart from my gloves and my boot. Jacket, I was in a little bit of a rush, but it is Risha, it is Gore-Tex, it is a very nice colour. And overall, great. Same with the trousers, pretty much just matches it in black, just not grey. Then the City Mag ones that are covered by the Risha trousers, they are also great boots. Obviously more of a sporty boot, not really waterproof that I know of. I wouldn't go out in the rain in them, but you know, I might get some overs for them. And yeah, Alessi, on to you. I know you didn't pick any of this stuff, but you do work on the shop floor, so tell me about
first off, boots, I got Daytona Journeys. Obviously long lasting boot, good adventure boot, short in height, so nice and comfortable for the long rides. I've got Hybrid R set, so obviously Rukka's top tier set. The best of best, you've got your Gore-Tex, you've got mid layer as well, you've got chest protector, back protector, all level 2 as well. Across the board, you've got Cordura on the shoulders, elbows as well, so you've got reinforced armour.
helmet. Oh, you forgot your gloves, disqualified, I win.
And then helmet,
Huh?
I've got Raffle 1 Rev.
You have got a raffle one. Continue, we're still on it.
We've got
This is
Raffle
still the
1
same
Rev.
thing.
So obviously, we've gone full adventure and then we've gone race, FIM spec, Raffle 1, obviously on a brilliant deal at the moment. I've got misty glasses at the moment, but now I can't see, but obviously good aerodynamics on it, FIM compliant, ECU 2206. You got roughly about 200-300 quid off of them at the moment because of Black Friday as well. And you got 2 colorways.
Yeah, sick. The X-SPR Pro also comes in a few different colorways. But yeah, obviously everything is on Black Friday, so I'd recommend having a look today. It should be coming out on Black Friday. If you have missed Black Friday, then still all great gear. I'm sure it'll be on deals at some point, but yeah. Tom, who are you gonna pick? I knew it would be me anyway, so anyway,
Let us know what you think who should win. I know it should have been me. Tom just hates me at the moment, but yeah. Let us know in the comments who you think would win, if you like any of the gear. And yeah, like the video, subscribe, ride safe, and we'll see you all soon.